Good morning, children. In the previous class, we solved exercise 3.7 till question number 3. So today, let us continue with our question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So first, smallest 3-digit number divisible by. So just see, whenever smallest, I said you that you have to think of the LCM. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Let us find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. How will you find it out? By common division method. Six, 8, 12. They all the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. Again divide with the 2. 3 as it is, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Then 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are, 3 1s are. Next 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3 times and 3 1 time. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the smallest number which is divisible by all this number. But in the question they asked, determine the smallest 3-digit number. It is not a 3-digit number, it is a 2-digit number. So what we'll do is, we will write the multiples of 24. When we write the multiples of 24, so one will be the 3-digit number among those. See, these are the multiples of 24. So among these, the smallest 3-digit number is 120. Hence, the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 24 is 120. So question number 5, determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Here also same method is followed. Here they asked, in the 4th question they asked smallest 3-digit number. In 5th question it is greatest 3-digit number, which will be given to you in the classwork. So we'll move to question number 6. The traffic lights at a 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? So there are 3 traffic lights, where the first traffic lights changes after 48 seconds, and second one 72 seconds, and third one 108 seconds. So if they change simultaneously, means one after the other, at 7 a.m. So at what time they will change simultaneously again? So again we should, at what time they together or simultaneously they are going to change the signals. So here we will again we are going to take the LCM. So here we will take the LCM of 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. This will be solved in your classwork. It is a very easy one. So here the final answer is 430. 32. Means LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is 432 seconds. So at this time the signals will change again. So again they are going to come to the change. Again these all three signals are going to change the lights simultaneously. Hence 432 seconds means 4 so each 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So we are going to convert it into minute. Seven minute 12 seconds. So again answer is the traffic signals will change again after 7 minute 12 seconds. From when? From 7 a.m. So after each 7 minute 12 seconds the traffic signals will keep on changing. Question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. Here the word maximum implies highest. Highest means we have to find a HCF. When these tankers contain this much of water, the capacity. So we have to find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure a container which can measure all the 3 containers, diesel of all 3 containers, exact number of times. Exactly it is how many times the small container will contain all these quantities. It means we have to find the factors of these all numbers. First factors of first number, that is 403. They are 1, 13, 31, 403. Next, factors of 434. 1, 2, 7, 14, 31, 62, 217 and 434. Next, factors of 465. So since you count it is, there are many factors. It is divisible by 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15, 31, 93, 155 and 465. So common factors are 1, 31, only 1 and 31. Highest among these is HCF. Here only we can write directly. HCF of 403, 434 and 465 is 30 1. So 31 is the maximum capacity of the container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact time. So if you bring the container of 31 kg, so it is going to contain the diesel 403 diesel 13 times. 13 1 13s are 403, 31 4s are 434, 31 15s are 465, like that. When you bring 31 capacity container, that container can hold the diesel, so which is the exact divisor of all the diesels in the all the tankers. Hence the answer is maximum capacity of container that can measure in the question only the diesel of each means all the 3 containers exact number of times. Is 31 liters. So 31 liters. So we'll move to next question. 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So here least number which when divided by all these numbers means we have to find again LCM, least. So here we have taken the LCM of all these numbers 6, 15 and 18. So 3 2s are 6, 15, sorry, 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 1 as it is, 3 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is. So when you take it is LCM is so 90. So this is the least number which is divisible by all these numbers. But according to question, a number which leaves the remainder 5. So in each case, so when you add 5 to it, it becomes 95. When you divide it with a 6, so remainder remains 5. So the hence the required number is 95. So when you divide 95 with the 6, the remainder will be 5. When you divide 15 with 95 with 15, remainder will remain 5. Then you divide 95 with 18, the remainder will be 5. This is the number when you divide, it is the least number. When you divide it with all these numbers, the remainder will remain 5. So next question, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. It is same as the question number 4. Here same method is followed over here. Here question is smallest 4-digit number and here it is smallest 3-digit number and here it is smallest 4-digit number. So same method is followed. Try by yourself. So I'll move to 10th question. Find LCM of following numbers 9 and 4, 12 and 5, 6 and 5, 15 and 4. Any two will be solved and other two you have to try. So LCM of 9 and 4. So common division method is the easiest method. So 9 as it is, 2 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 1s are. So LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. One more will solve. Second is 12 and 15. Second question is 12 and 5. So when you take LCM, 2 6 are 5 as it is, 2 3s are 5 as it is, 3 1s are 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5 1s are. So LCM of 12 and 5, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM of 12 and 5 is 60. So C and D you try by yourself and see what is the observation, or see what is the common thing in the all these things, all the LCM of the given numbers. So last question. Find LCM of the following numbers in which one number is a factor of other. So in the given number, one number is a factor of other number. So we should find what do you observe in the result obtained. So we will solve it first and we'll check or we'll observe the result later. Here let us prime factorize. The prime factorization five and 20. So when you want to write it prime factorize 5, 5 ones are 5. Just try here. What is when you prime factorize 20? It is a 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So here 5 is a factor of the other number when you factorize. So LCM is LCM of 5 and 20 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 is repeated twice, 5 is repeated once. So hence. So let us prime factorize. Prime factorization of 6 and 8. Sorry, 18. Just in a rough space you factorize 18. 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Here 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 9 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. See, when you observe, 6 is the factor of 18. Hence LCM of 18 it is. LCM of 6 and 18 is 6 and 18 is 2. 2 is repeated one time and 3 is repeated twice. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So when you observe the smaller, when you observe one number is the factor of, smaller number is the factor of the greater number. Remaining problem, to C and D problem solved by yourself. So here completes exercise 3.7 and also here complete lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Thank you.